Before I start this video, I just want to say there's not going to be any intro or outro. Hey guys, what's up? It's more Homer M. Oh, my YouTube career may be ending, but it's probably not. Just don't worry about it. But my throat feels like someone's sticking knives down it. Because you know when someone says it feels like someone's stabbing me, ghosts are probably stabbing you or something weird. But I just hurts. I'm gonna be gone for a little bit, but I got some important news to say. There are 2 new channels, TikTok Boy and Grandpa Taper. I know it's kind of bad, but I'm just gonna post this, no intro or outro.